Hi everyone, please take out your notebook, turn to a new page, write down the date of today and the learning target. Determine number of intersections between straight lines. Yesterday, we have learned about how to find the coordinates of intersection between straight lines. And today, we are going to determine the number of intersections between straight lines. So, there are 3 cases in total. So, please mark it down. Case 1, Case 2, and Case 3. So, for Case 1, please help me to draw a XY axis. Afterwards, please help me to draw 2 straight lines. And then mark it down as L1 and L2. As you can see, how many number of intersections are there? So the answer is 1. So I mark it down as 1 intersection. So mathematically, how can we represent or how can we know that? That is, we are using the slope. For L1, the slope is M1, and for L2, the slope is M2. As you can see, using numbers, we know that M1 doesn't equals to M2. So we know that there is 1 intersection between L1 and L2. And then for case 2, please help me to draw the figure like this. So first, construct the XY axis. And then, help me to draw a pair of parallel lines. And then mark it down as L1 and L2. And for case 3, first, draw the XY axis and then draw 1 line to represent 2 straight lines, L1 and L2. So for case 3, the 2 lines are overlapping with each other. Okay, so they are showing that they are the same line. So as you can see, for case 2, how many intersections are there? The answer is there is no intersection. And for case 3, as the 2 straight lines are overlapping with each other, so there are infinite number of intersections. So mathematically, we know that for case 2, M1 and M2 are equal. Similarly, for case 3, M1 is equals to M2. But how can we identify or distinguish case 2 or case 3? The answer is we can use the y-intercept. In case 2, L1 and L2 have different y-intercepts. So therefore, C1 doesn't equals to C2. But for case 3, as the 2 straight lines are exactly the same, so C1 and C2 will also be equal. So therefore, we know that there are 3 cases and how we can use the mathematical way to find the number of intersections between straight lines. Okay, so for the next part of the video, I will give you some more examples.